Welcome to the world of Glowvy life. Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to walk you through the art and science of creating the perfect homemade soap. From understanding the saponification process to adding your personal creative touch, I've got all the essential tips you need. First things first, let's talk about saponification. This is the chemical reaction that occurs when you mix lye with fats or oils, transforming them into soap and glycerin. It's basically the backbone of soap making. Now, choosing your ingredients is where the fun begins. You can use a variety of oils such as olive, coconut, or palm oil. Each oil brings different properties to your soap, like moisturizing or lathering effects. Make sure you're using high-quality ingredients for the best results. Accurate measurements are crucial in soap making. Use a digital scale to measure your oils and lye precisely. Too much or too little of either can throw off the entire batch. And remember, always add lye to water, never the other way around, to avoid any dangerous reactions. Mixing your ingredients properly is key. Use a sturdy stick blender to blend the lye solution and oils together until you reach what's called trace. This is when the mixture thickens to the consistency of pudding. Safety first, always. Wear gloves and eye protection when handling lye, and work in a well-ventilated area. Keep vinegar on hand to neutralize any lye spills. Now for the step-by-step process. First, melt your oils and let them cool to about 100 to 110 degrees. Next, slowly add your lye solution to the oils and blend until you reach trace. Pour the mixture into molds and let it sit for 24 hours. Then, unmold your soap and cut it into bars. Temperature control is vital here. If the mixture is too hot, it can cause the soap to crack or develop unwanted textures. Too cold, and it may not saponify properly. Patience is key when it comes to curing. Let your soap bars cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This allows the excess water to evaporate, making the soap harder and longer lasting. Troubleshooting time. If your soap has air bubbles, try tapping the mold gently before it sets. If it's too soft, it might need more curing time. Finally, unleash your creativity. Add essential oils, herbs, or natural colorants to personalize your soap. This is your chance to make each bar unique. And there you have it, the art and science of perfect homemade soap. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Happy soap making! We hope these tips inspire you to create your own perfect soap. For more tips and resources on soap making, visit our website at glowvy.life. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy soap making!